3.6 billion people, half the world, lack access to essential healthcare, and this is not because resources don't exist, but because the data is broken. And organizations like the Virtual Foundation deploy doctors, mobile clinics, and surgical units to underserved communities, but their facility data is scattered across messy spreadsheets and PDFs, different formats, duplicate entries, missing fields, and a question like which region has zero emergency care takes analysts weeks to answer. For this application, I built a platform that does it in seconds and named it after the Virtue Foundation, um, called the Virtue Foundation Intelligence Platform. And this is built for the Databricks Hack Nation Hackathon Challenge, and it won the second place. And how it works is this is the command center. Um, Here we have about 797 total facilities. These are facility markers, the regional panel, overview, the online status badge, and for the IDP agent, um, I will do this here. For the IDP agent, everything starts with raw data. This is the raw data column, and we took over 1,000 raw health facility records from Ghana, unstructured, inconsistent, full of duplicates, and the IDP agent processes using GPT 4.0 mini to read raw records and extract structured usable data. And here you can view the schema, which is the structured data, um, and select a facility from the drop down point. Um, Here you can see the details of the raw data and all of that. This is how you can trace the steps that have been taken by the agent, um, to ensure it's AI to ensure things are properly done and all of that. Um, every extraction gets a confidence score. Surgery at 93%. Yeah, surgery at 93% means strong evidence. Radiology at 58% means there's need for human verification. We're not blindly trusting AI. We're giving decision makers the information to know what to trust. And so if you see here in the agent trace tab, it shows the step-by-step reasoning of the agent. You can also export the schema and all of that. And we processed 1,003 raw records into 797 clean deduplicated capability scored profiles. And this pipeline works with any country's data, not just Ghana's data. And here in the command center, you would see, now that we have clean data, how do we make it useful? This is the regional health overview, and I can ask questions like which regions have no surgical capabilities, and I wait for a response. I ask a plain English question that would normally take days of cross-referencing sheets, behind the scenes. A Landgraph multi-agent pipeline classifies the query and routes it to the right specialist. No, I'm not recording this thing.